Oh my goodness. Right overhead. Yep. You know, you create an environment that you can all of a sudden get it to react if you release, I don't know, some electronic something. I was reading about EMPs today. So it makes you really wonder what they're doing, what they're laying in the sky. Nosy. Here comes its friend. Look, it's got a hook over so it can make an X. Let's see what they want to do. They're so artistic, aren't they, you guys? Look how creative they are. Look how creative our destroyers are. Oh, bless their little hearts. Let's see. He's gonna hook it right over across. He's gotta make that bend. Look at that. Meow. They're like, it's like what is that game? Etch-a-Sketch? Etch-a-Sketch. And X, that's my horse in the background, sorry. X marks the spot. Yep. Did you see how he had to intentionally curve himself over? Look at that. He had to intentionally make that X. Holy cow, what is going on there? You guys also, so I'm going to just say it. Coming the 20th here, Inauguration Day, if I were you guys, I would stay home. I would not participate in any events simply because I do think that they are setting up the people and they are arming themselves, and they're going to use anything we do, whether it's justified or not, as an excuse to defend themselves. And it will start. That's weird how that dissipated, isn't it? Because that one didn't dissipate. It's going for a long time. But gosh, my neighbor's making some bridge or something next door, so it's kind of loud. But I would lay low on the 20th, between the 20th and the 25th of January. I would lay low and don't give them an excuse to attack us. Otherwise, we're going to go the way of the Holodomor and the East Timor people, among many, many others. Ukrainian, that was Ukrainian, was a Holodomor, and the Armenian, I guess there was an Armenian genocide also over 100 years ago. All right, stay tuned. And there's more planes. More incoming. It's about 3 minutes difference from the last video I took. That doesn't look as nefarious, but it's still bad. And this is about 4 seconds from what I just took. Right behind me, this is going on, and look, they're doing the same little pattern. Look, they're repeating. He's got to make that little hook. Isn't that interesting? Are they coordinating this? Oh wait, he's straightened out. He straightened out his act. Let's see. No, he's got to see. He did make a little hook, just like the last guy. Oh, you got to cross that. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, dude, you're not laying a heavy enough trail. Come on. How are they going to see this? Oh, maybe he's Maybe he's had a change of heart. Maybe he wants to join the white hats, or the good guys. Maybe he's thinking about his family and children. Maybe he doesn't want to make that X. Oh, maybe he's going parallel. Hey. Maybe he wants to be first. Look at him gunning it. Oh, maybe he's making the V. That's it. They're making a V. So they just got the X. Oh, this dude's blowing it. Maybe it's a Y. Oh. He had a change of heart. Look at that. They can't commit. What is going on? Hey, I know. I'll help out. Hey, let me help. Oh, here, let me hook. I'll hook. I'll do a little hook for you. Oh, maybe it's a W that's kind of messed up. Oh my goodness. See how it's interesting how they can actually turn off? They can turn on and off their little jets. What are they saying? Oh, so does that say 4? Maybe it's a 4. Like hold the door. 4. Hodor. Holodomor. Holodomor. 4. Oh, you see what these fumes do to people? That's right. You guys, okay, so like, look at that. Where did the other, see how they can just turn off and on when they want? Otherwise we'd be seeing the ends of these jets. But they can just turn them on and off, because otherwise how would they make their little V? If they kept going, it would look like an X, and that might send the wrong message. Yep, that's a 4. And now we got some little drones up there. Look at the drones. Look at the drones. Has anyone seen any of those birds flap their wings yet? Where'd they go? That's amazing how they just disappeared. I don't even see any in eye shot anymore.